Hi, welcome back on the Do It Yourself channel. Today we're gonna test the new phone with a brand Fossibot. We have this phone from the other company to test it. As you see, it comes to us with the small tiny orange box with the name of the company Fossibot. There is the specification about the phone, and it has IPS touch screen, of course. There is Android network 4G octa-core Helio, 8GB RAM and 128 memory, and up to 50 gigabyte RAM. There is a rear camera, front. As you see, we have a dual SIM, and there is option with the battery. It's 10,000 milliampere battery, so it's pretty much heavy battery. Let's take a look inside the box. There is a user manual here. With the English language and more language on the back side. For more information, you can go visit the site. Okay, and there is accessories with the USB-C cable here, and there is a charger here, 2.0A, 18 watts charger. And there is a phone here with a key to open the SIM card slot. And let's take a look on this phone around here. And the phone has got big battery, as you see. And there is a heavy phone. There is a place for the SIM card and the memory card on the left side. We can put here our key here. Okay, and let's try with this. Yeah, there is a 2 option key. As you see, there we have place for the SIM card or SIM card with the memory card here. So let's place it into the body. Okay, there is some button. Here is you have same button. This is a power, I think, and this is the volume up and down. Go on the outside. There is a Type-C port USB charging. Okay, and look at the back. We have 3 camera here. The flashlight. There is some sticker. And the name of this phone, Fossibot. So let's try to turn it on. Let's remove this foil. Nice. As you see, we have here the glass, hearted glass here. There is a foil on the front. Nice logo. What's this? This is second LCD, I think, maybe. Okay, let's try with the language. Okay, English gonna be good. Let's start. Skip to connection network. Set up offline. Continue. Next. And there is a Google service. So let's try the more. Accept here. We don't need to set a pin right now. Okay, the phone we started. Let's try to pick a camera here. Yeah, there is a second LCD, as I said. Let's try to turn it off. And this LCD is, oh, you can wake up it by pressing this button here. maybe turn it off this mine LCD. Oh, you can do something with the music, I suppose. Okay, nice. What does second button do on this mine screen? Something with the down here icons. Anyway, let's look at the Android version on the settings here. Go to the about the phone, and there is device names. It's F101 Pro, and there is Android version 13 of your phone. So let's try it another time with the camera. You have 1, 2, 3, and 4 zoom to your phone. You can rotate it here. You can see me right now. Maybe there is some things to do to take the selfie with this LCD. Maybe there is some way to do this, because it can be a very good option for that. And more of the option here is standard Android here, so you can install any of your favorite application, so it look familiar like others Android phones. There is LCD brightness, you can set it automatically, and there is many of options here of like a standard phone with Android, of course. Yep. So the main of the option here is a really big battery. Is more much 10,000 milliampere hours here. As you see, the phone is very big because have heavy battery. The second option of this phone is the back LCD. Maybe I will turn it this fill form. I don't know how it works, if it's touched or not, or how I can navigate it by this LCD. Oh, maybe something like this. Oh, yeah, so you have a notification up on the battery, down notification about the system, and you can swipe it right, left. Oh, we have a camera here. Yeah, that's right, this is the option which I searching for. Look at my hair. Wow, you don't see me. Nice. Okay, this option is very good, I think. So there is a timer mode, record, so you can record the voice and play the music. So it's like, you know, like smartwatch or something like that. If you don't have time to wake up your mind, LCD. Also, the best thing is you can do the selfie with the small camera here. And that's it, you know. So thank you for testing this phone. Of course, if you wish to buy it, you can click on the down in the description. You're gonna get the link to buy it. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!